Hello and welcome to this quick video on SPSS. We're going to be doing variable recoding. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to SPSS, we're going to click transform and we're going to select from there recode into different variables. So we go to SPSS and this is table 10.1 which we've been working on. We've put the data in there and we've made this overall one. Now we're going to go into transform and we're going to go down to this one here which says recode into different variables. It's important that you have different variables because it adds a new variable in it rather than overriding it. So let's go recode into different variables. Click that on there and it pulls up our command box here. So let's go back to our slides and see what we have to do. So once we've done this, we're going to click on the household income and then move it to the input variable, so the input variable, output variable box. So we'll go to household income. I'm going to put that in there, like that. So now, well, if we go back, see that's called input variable, output variable. When we actually add household income in there, the name does change, but it's still the same spot. All right. Now we're going to type in R income. R stands for recode income into the output variable name box. So the output variable name box. Now I always put a space under there. Recode income. You can't just put a normal space. You have to use an underscore in there because it has to be one word. Alright, now let's go back to here and we're going to type recoded income into the output variable label box. So we're going to give this variable a label. We're going to call it recoded income. Alright. Now once we've done that, we're going to click the old and new values box. Old and new values box in there, and this opens up a new command screen. And under the old values on the left hand side, click 1 and 2 in the range boxes. And under new values on the right hand side, click value and 1 into the value box and add. So we've got 1 and 2, so we're going to range because it's going to be the range from the range of value of 1 through to the range of value 2, and we're going to change these values into all being 1. So that means both 1s and 2s are going to get changed to 1. We're going to click add, and we've done that. So under old values we typed 1 and 2 in the range boxes. Under new values on the right, click value, and we add 1. So we've done that. Click add. Right. Now under old values on the left, type 3 at the box, and under new values type 2. So 3 is going to get changed to 2. So we're going back here because it's not arranged. We're just going to change 3 to 2. Now this is a little bit tricky because you don't want to click continue, you want to click add. Alright, and under here we're going to do number 4 is going to get changed to number 3. Number 4 is going to get changed to number 3. Add that. And under old values we're going to do range. So both 5 and 6, so the range of 5 through to 6 in the range boxes is going to get changed to 4. So where are we? So under range, we're going to do, what was it again? We're going to do 5 and 6 to 4. So 5 through to 6 is going to get changed to 4. We're going to add that. So now we've got all the old values are here, which are going to get changed through to the new values. Now, we're going to finish this off by clicking continue, click change, and then click OK. So we're going to click continue, click change, click OK. Now you can see it computing, and it's recoded. 3 equals 2, 4 equals 3, 1 to 2 equals 1, 5 to 6 equals 4. Alright, so we minimize this output thing, and we can see our new variable here called R income, and it's recoded all of these incomes. So 6 is now 4, 2 is now 1, and so on and so forth. We can go to our variable view screen at the bottom left hand. Once we're in this sort of design view, we can change this again back down to 0 decimals, and we can change it from what was our household income was ordinal, so we can change it back to ordinal, right? Which happens there. Right, so that concludes this quick video on how to variable recoding.